Contractions, contractions, contractions. Who wants to speak good English? If one of you wants to speak better English or quality English and you really want to understand those native speakers, अगर आप नेटिव स्पीकर्स को समझना चाहते हैं और अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं, then you have to learn the use of these contractions. It is the list of the common contractions that you will hear or you will use them while you speak English. On the right we have the contraction words and we have the base words. The word that we use formally, and these are the contracted words that we use informally when we speak English. You have the same on this side as well. So let's start from the top. That's could have. Could have. Could have. Could have. He could have done that. He could have cleared. He could have cleared. Hid. He had died. He had died. He would. Even we can say he'd. He would. He would like to. He's a nice person. He's such a nice person. He is such a nice person. He'll go with you. She'll go with you. He will go with you. She will go with you. I'd. Even you can use it. I would. I'd done that. I'd cleared. I'll say. I'll tell. I will. I'm here. I'm teaching. I'm working. I am working. I am talking. Of. I have. Of lots of money. Of a car. I have a car. I've got a car. I have got a car. Let's go. Let us go. Might have. Might have. There is. There is. There is he. वो वहां पर है. They're here. They're gone. They're gone. They are gone. वो जा चुके हैं. They would. They would. They'll. If you use they with the contraction, that will be they'll. And we say they will. We would really like to eat something. We would, or we had. We'll go together. We'll go together. हम एक साथ जाएंगे. We will go together. We are. We are here finally. We are here finally. We have. We've completed our work. We have completed our work. Where is your house? Where is your car? Where is your bike? Where is your bike? Where's your bike? Whose? Who is? Who's this? Who is this? You will know. You'll. Listen, you have to repeat with me if you really like to improve your English. Then repetition, or we say mumbling. If you mumble something after listening, this could really help you to improve your English, because practice is the only way that you can improve your English. Must have. He must have listened us. Must have listened us. Should, she had, or she would. She had jumped from the table, from the chair, from that mountain. Should have. You should have done that. You should have done that. You should have paid that electricity bill. You should have paid that electricity bill. After this, we'll have some negative forms of the same contractions, and hope to see you in the next video.